Hello, today I will guide you on how to password protect a Word document. Step 1, open the Word document. Open the Word document you want to protect. Step 2, go to the File tab. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Step 3, select Info. In the left panel, click on Info. Step 4, click on Protect Document. On the right side, click on Protect Document. This allows you to control what types of changes people can make to the document. Step 5, choose Encrypt with Password. Click Protect Document again. Select Encrypt with Password. Step 6, enter a password. Type in the password you want to use. Important, if you forget the password, you cannot recover it. Passwords are case sensitive. Uppercase and lowercase letters must match exactly. Step 7, confirm the password. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Click OK to apply the password. Save the document. Step 8, open the document to test. Open the document again. It will now ask for a password. Before opening, enter the password and click OK. Your Word document is now password protected. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this helps and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.